Alright, today I just got this in. I know it was my first video this morning on this car, but I had to order some parts immediately. I don't know if you've ever seen the inside of one of those police cars, but they don't have an armrest. They don't have a cup holder. They don't have anything. So I had to order something. And let's see what it looks like here. I'm gonna have to get a camera, man. This is too much Chris Fix stuff here. You're one of my heroes, but trying to do this one-handed is kind of difficult. Oh yeah, look at this. It's pretty good looking, huh? Again, one-handed. Let's see. I was pretty talented in high school. There we go. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That is pretty. And it's got the little apron that goes down the back. Oh wow, all right. I can deal with this. Oh yeah. See, that's that apron I was telling you about. All right, assembly instructions. All right, check it out. You got one big and one little cup. Yeah, looks like we got all the brackets and the hardware associated with putting it on that grid. I'm probably gonna, since I'm a beginner at this YouTube thing, I'll probably have to do a couple of videos on this. But, all right, yeah. That'll bolt straight up to the plate in the center, and then you bolt the console to these. I can dig the concept. All right, well, there it is. It's pretty, and you can get yours on eBay right now. Good luck.